When the business enters into a hire purchase or lease purchase agreement to finance the purchase of an asset, equipment or plant, the application allows the setup of financial agreement details by going to Bank, Finance Agreement, New Agreement. Here we enter an account code or accept the default given. Enter an account name. Enter the bank account into which the monies have been received and from which repayments will be made. Enter the asset that is being financed. We can enter the date of the agreement, any agreement reference number, the price of the asset to be financed, excluding VAT, any deposit paid, excluding VAT. You will see that the application has calculated the value of the loan to be repaid, which should correspond with the paperwork for the finance agreement. From that paperwork we can enter the value of the interests and charges being levied on the loan and the term of the loan in months. For example, a 5-year agreement will be 60 months. The application is calculating that the loan repayments should be £473.33 per month, which comprises £420 of loan repayment plus interest of £53.33. Any additional charges, for example administration on the first repayment, are entered here, and similarly any administration fees on the final payment are entered here. Once the user is satisfied that all entries are correct, click Create. A brief summary is then presented for final confirmation, and if these details correspond with the paperwork relating to the particular finance agreement, click Create or click Edit to go back to the previous screen. So we click Create. We can see that the finance agreement with the value outstanding has been added to the list on the finance agreements listing screen. Now, when the user enters the summary screen, they are advised of any finance agreement payments that are awaiting processing, and these can be processed by clicking the Finance Agreements Payments link. We will see, if we look at the financial transactions log, that the application has now correctly posted the receipt of the funds from the finance company, the first repayments against the monies loaned, and the interest and charges on the agreement, which have been posted to the correct nominal accounts.